Okay, here is a fresh look at the brand new Cantek PC100 pocket cutting and drilling machine. Comes with a bunch of tools. It'll come with a sample showing the center drill on the top and the pocket cutter right there. And it's got these really nice adjustment handles. You can loosen this up, move this plate in and out to get your spacing exactly where you want. And in this case, this will allow us to do two pockets. We can do one here and move it to the other side and do another pocket there. So we're gonna check that out and do some videos here in just a minute. Really easy foot pedal operation, simple 115 volt plug-in, and then it takes 60 PSI of air as well, with the regulator going down to 40. So machine should be dialed in and ready to go. We're gonna do some videos now. One other quick thing I will note is when we turn on the Cantek dust collector that you see right here, even though it's a small 3 horsepower dust collector, it's going to the back of this unit. Little 4-inch connector on the back here, and it's a pretty well sealed unit. I was very surprised. You can actually feel quite a bit of airflow right here at the pocket cutter. So we'll see. I'm assuming we're going to see fairly decent pickup from this machine. We're just going to keep it nice and clean. Okay, today we're going to show you how to do a pocket on this super simple machine. We just did our first practice one. And it has a movable fence on the left and right, so we can just do a second one very easily. And because I'm doing samples, I'm using very little material, so I'll use an extra piece here just to hold it in place. It's got a pneumatic clamp that comes down and holds the piece securely for you. And there you go, a super sweet, nice, clean pocket and a pilot hole drilled right in the center. Now, thanks to that 4-inch dust collection pickup in the back, I'm not seeing any dust here, keeping the work area very clean. Last thing I'll point out is this clear guard that's adjustable. It's gonna prevent your finger from going underneath that clamp. A really nice feature. I like the adjustable fences on both sides with quick releases, making it really easy to move these in and out, and a ruler in the middle so you can measure those up. We'll do one last pocket for fun. And something you can't quite see here is there are sensors in that backstop, so the foot actuated pedal does not work unless you put the piece of wood up against that stop. And there you go, another low angle pocket with a center pilot hole in one cycle, one simple operation, fast, efficient, and easy.